Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a new week of trading. So today's trade, let me just quickly break it down. At 9:30, market open and it just rallied higher and it kept going higher for a little while. And we saw that it went straight into the 4 hour fair value gap, which is a higher time frame PD array. So I'm not convinced that the price is going to continue going higher, right? So I see it around 9:39 it starts dropping, and then at 9:54 NQ fails to make a higher high, whereas ES makes a higher high. So that right there is SMT. Now SMT gets confirmed and change in state of delivery gets confirmed once we break through this up close candle, the last up close candle. As soon as I did that, I had my entry right here, my sell limit, and then I just started looking at the charts. I put an alert for this swing low, and it took a long time. When I finally got the alert, I checked my chart and noticed how close it came to my stop loss, and thankfully it didn't hit. And once I looked at this side, I saw it start going higher and higher. So I thought at this point I put my stop loss at break even, and I was pretty convinced that it's gonna hit my break even. But once again, I got lucky and it came very close to my stop loss. I mean, this came very close to my stop loss and just thankfully started dropping. It was in the 5 minute fair value gap here too, which I can show you right here. This was a gap, and just honestly today, just market gods were on my side, and it turned around and dropped. And this time, my initial target was all the way down here at the midnight price. But once it started, I started seeing all the range and how long it was taking. I initially had the target at the 8:30 data lows, but then at the same time, you see this line, this blue shaded area. This is the new week opening gap, and the gap that just opened from Sunday, yesterday, right? So many times I've seen price reject this area, which it did right here, and it never took out the 8:30 low. So my target, I end up closing it manually around 100 points over here. And thankfully I did because it came back and went back up. So overall, great trade. Um, a lot of ranging today, but and very close to getting stop loss hit or even break even hit. But yeah, like I said, the market gods were on our side today and it worked out. 100 points made today on Monday. Let's see if we can keep this up for the rest of the week.